Alright folks, this is an updated video on the Kobalt half-inch drive, 26-inch long ratchet, model number 81745. Then it has a T124 maybe underneath. Pretty sure it's 26 inches long. Let's check it. Okay, so that's where they get 24 from. But it's 24 and a half, almost 25 inches long. My thoughts on it. And I've used this some. The head's starting to get a little weak. Probably just needs to be tightened. I haven't done that yet. Not overwhelmingly weak. The bar has like a little flex to it, to me. The grip feels fine. Now I'm going by the comparison of the big Bertha I made, which is a Harbor Freight Pittsburgh Pro breaker bar and half-inch drive Harbor Freight head, which this thing's still great. No play at all on that head yet. Everything I got. This bar is real thick. This, you know, you're holding onto a ratchet when you hold onto this. Way heavier. When you're putting a lot of torque on this thing, it almost feels like the bar has a little give to it. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying you can feel the difference. The pin on this one is a lot smaller than this one. I believe this one was 26 inches. 26 and a half to be exact. Still feels like it did from the day I got it. This ratchet from the Kobalt ratchet is $80 now. It wasn't nowhere near $80 when I bought it. Is it worth 80 bucks? I'm not sure. I got about 50 in this one. The Pittsburgh Pro sounds a lot better of yours. Never had any issues with it. Never jammed up. And now Harbor Freight sells the Icon version of this with the detent. It's like $125-ish. At $125 for the Icon, which I don't have the Icon, or the $80 for this one, is it worth putting the other 40, 50 bucks into the Icon? If the Icon holds up like this one, absolutely. This thing is old. About 2 years old, probably about 2 years I made it now. There's other videos I did on it when I made it. It is a beast of a ratchet. And I mean, I literally use this one still today, probably 5 times before I use this one once. Is this a bad ratchet? No. Is it a great ratchet? No. Does it work? Yes. Is it worth 80 bucks? I don't think so. And now a lot of companies are making them this long. And it gets in a tighter spot. I will give it that. It does get in a tighter spot. The head's smaller, the arm's smaller, everything's smaller than that big Bertha down there. That's what I call her, Bertha. If I ask for my helper to get me Bertha, he knows what it is. It's just a big ratchet and it's strong. But this one works. And I've probably used it, I don't know, 30 times, 40 times, maybe 50 times. I don't keep track. He will grab, when I say I need a long, heavy duty ratchet, he'll grab this one a lot of times. If I'm in a spot where I can't grab it. They're both right next to each other. So if I'm down the pit, I normally grab Bertha. I did have this one up top for a while and this one down below for a while, just to see if I'd use it more. And it's not a bad ratchet. I just don't know how much I like it for 80 bucks. And I think I paid 50 for it. At 50, it's a great ratchet. 80, I don't know. But, you know, the handle's been beat on. It's all marked up. You can see it. You know, when you're working in the pit, you know, you're getting grease and stuff on it. You see where it's been dropped a few times. The handle's got a little knowing on it. This has been used forever. I don't grab the breaker bar no more. I can't tell you when's the last time I have used a breaker bar. I just use this. This is my breaker bar. So, that said, if you can get a coupon on it or find it on sale for 50 bucks, yeah, it's a great ratchet. It's lifetime warranty. I have not broke it yet, so that's a plus. That right there says a lot. But we are getting a little movement in the head, which I'm going to tighten it up. Looks like the screw might have backed off a little bit. Maybe put some thread lock in it. This ratchet, the head's loose now. I have not yet tightened it up at all since the day I've made it. I am going to put a wavy washer in it on both sides. But that's just a little update on my my two big 1/2-inch ratchets. I just figured, you know, after 2 years and I guess it's been about 4 months, 5 months of this one, I'll give an update on it. Later, folks.